Welcome to a world where creation knows no bounds. Imagine a reality where, with the push of a button, entire landscapes, buildings, and even human organs are printed before your eyes. This is a world brought to life by 3D printing machines, a technology that transforms imagination into tangible reality. In this world, technology isn't just a tool, it's the ultimate creator. Picture waking up in a house entirely printed to your specifications, from the walls down to the tiniest details on the kitchen sink. Your surroundings are manufactured in a factory far away. They're created right where you need them. This is a world without limits, a world where customization and instant fulfillment are at your fingertips. Introduction to how it all works. Now, let's delve into how this incredible technology makes it all possible. In simplest terms, 3D printing is a process where layers of material are deposited one on top of another to build objects from the ground up. It started with plastics and has now evolved to include metals, ceramics, concrete, and even biological tissues. Each object, whether big or small, complex or simple, is created layer by layer, forming shapes that once existed only in the mind. Imagine the benefits of 3D printing. Just think of the possibilities. Imagine hospitals where doctors print organs on demand, eradicating the organ donor shortage. In this world, no one has to wait for a kidney or a heart, as 3D printing provides a supply tailored to the needs of every patient. It would save millions of lives each year. And what about disaster relief? With portable 3D printers, shelters, food supplies, and tools can be produced right on site, allowing immediate aid to reach those in need. No more waiting for shipments, no more delays. Personalized everything, from homes to clothes. Now, let's move closer to everyday life. Imagine walking into a clothing store where everything is personalized. Want a jacket that fits like a second skin or shoes custom designed to support your unique stride? 3D printing can do it. In this world, fashion isn't mass-produced. It's made specifically for you. Even homes can be printed based on personal preferences and environmental needs. Houses can be assembled in days rather than months, with no limitations on shape or design. Each one reflects the creativity of its residents, built to withstand local climates and crafted from sustainable materials, revolutionizing manufacturing and the economy. Now, let's turn to the big picture. Thoughtfully, 3D printing could revolutionize the global economy. Imagine local production hubs in every town, every city, eliminating the need for massive factories and long-haul shipping. Manufacturing jobs would evolve, focusing on programming, designing, and operating 3D printers. Industries worldwide would witness a profound transformation. What about the environment? One of the greatest advantages of this technology is its environmental impact. In this 3D printed world, there's virtually no waste. Traditional manufacturing often involves cutting away materials, but 3D printing uses only what's necessary, reducing waste by up to 90%. Add to this the use of eco-friendly materials, and we're looking at a significant reduction in pollution and resource consumption. The Earth breathes easier in a world where every object has a purpose. The future of food production. And the transformation doesn't stop with objects. Food can also be printed. Imagine chefs creating gourmet dishes with exact nutritional profiles tailored to each person. Food shortages become a thing of the past as 3D printing opens up new ways to generate food from various sources, even in drought-prone or isolated regions. With 3D printed meals, everyone has access to delicious, nutritious food regardless of location. Building dreams, from cities to space. And what about cities? Entire cities can be designed and printed to withstand natural disasters and operate sustainably. Urban planning becomes an art form, free from the constraints of traditional construction. Cities of the future are vibrant, green, efficient, and uniquely suited to their environments. Buildings can adapt, growing and changing with the population's needs. And as we look to the stars, 3D printing could even help us create colonies on other planets. Imagine a Martian base built entirely from materials found on Mars, printed layer by layer to form habitats, tools, and vehicles. The first step towards interplanetary life could be taken with a 3D printer. Challenges in a 3D printed world. Pause thoughtfully, but such a world wouldn't be without challenges. We must consider the security implications, like how to prevent illegal weapon manufacturing or deal with intellectual property rights in a world where anyone can replicate anything. And there's also the concern of the environmental impact of the materials used. Innovations like biodegradable printing materials and ethical printing practices would be essential. A world of endless possibilities. Closing remarks with enthusiasm. The possibilities of a 3D printed world are as limitless as our imagination. From medicine to housing, food, and even space exploration, 3D printing could be the ultimate tool for solving humanity's greatest challenges. It's a world where the only limits are the boundaries of creativity and where technology truly serves humanity. Would you want to live in this world? Thank you for exploring this incredible vision with us. If you enjoyed this journey into the future, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All Topic Zone for more exciting topics like this.